It's like the hotness here is like 12 noon, exactly 12 noon in the Philippines, but it's actually 3 p.m. already. It's very hot. Oh god, this is the farm of his mother. This is the farmhouse of his mother. And this spot, I hope I could get a good shot.
Just aim it into the center and then pull the trigger. Woo! You can keep going. Yeah, you're making good shots. I see the good shot. Yeah.
Oh.
See, so you shot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All 9 were put on the paper. It was loaded with 10. I have 1 in my pocket that I accidentally racked out. So all of them hit. So now you can try my big one.
Is it ready now?
Yep. Now keep going. Keep going until it's empty. Okay.